Another day. The Chad and Dan are framing in all the window and door openings today. I'm cutting the eye joists that will go up. You can see where the wall steps down. That will be a floor on that end. This end, it's going to be open right to the peak of the roof, basically. Going to be beautiful. So let's watch cutting some eye joists and then framing. Ready. I guess I'll just set the window in. Okay, we're going to nail on flashing. This will it'll come up 1.5 inches, has a shelf about 2 1/4 inches, and then comes down 1 inch. The reason being is we're going to put insulation against the concrete to insulate that. So I think we're ready. Basically, we're going to let that ride to there. I got to go to me. We'll even that up after. Yep. That went rather difficultly. It's like hardwood. Hit it, Sally. Did I just say Sally? So somebody out there must have seen the video we did on stiletto hammers. You know who you are. I don't know who you are. You didn't actually label it, but I got a beautiful hammer that swings like an 8-ounce hammer. Oh wait, it is an 8-ounce hammer. Thanks, appreciate it. That was very thoughtful. I'll use it for finish nails. Here we go. Oops. Okay. Yep. Let's hope I don't hit my thumb. Oh, look at that. You know where that's going? Right back in the toolbox.
Let me try that thing.
Oh, yeah, that had potential when you were whacking it.
Yeah.
Are you doing the sheet?
Ready?
Yep. Let's start over on this side. Oh, perfect. Now watch your fingers. First thing this morning, we went and got the scissor lift. You can just barely see it in the back there, but we'll be using that a lot today once we get the walls sheathed, get all the window openings in. Right. See that? It's a C for Chad. Ooh. So it was a 70% chance of rain or something like that today, but no rain. And look at this. Are you kidding me? We should be out there. I heard that there's some really nice fish out there. Anyway, we got to go to work. So Chad's up there doing the triple plate around this part because there's going to be a lot of stress out on all those walls, so we wanted to beef that up. So we're ready to put floor joists up. Yeah, beam me up, Scotty.
Sure.
You mind running that thing?
Yeah.
You do?
Yep.
Good. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. This is the moment. This has been since December. I've been awake nights thinking, wow, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? We have two triangles that we're going to set up there, and we're going to try to set them up safely. The homeowners have a tractor that they're helping us out with to get it back there. Probably weighs, each one weighs about 300 pounds. So we're going to set it up on that blocking, set it there. We'll use the lift. We've got something for it to go against, and theoretically it should just tip right up. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. All right. So I got to unhook.
Right, so
You can let that side go down, Chad. Oh.
Watch out for this lilac.
Can you come ahead a little more? Yep, that's good. Okay. Yep. You grab that, Chad. You ready? Yeah, sure.
Spin your way.
Yeah, or we can position it after the fact. We'll just come down here. Running out of room, Chad? That should be good. Perfect. That's the second one, so we need the other one.
Okay, the heavy one.
I'll move this out of the way.
That one's your way. Yeah.
So we can flip it once we get inside or whatever.
We're going inside with it?
Sure.
Okay.
Why not? So we'll be able to manhandle it pretty quick. A little more. That's good. We can put it down. Whoop. Caught on the...
Up a little more.
There we go. That's it. Thank you.
Your turn or his?
Mine.
Time you think will be
Are we going to have time? We're going to be running late.
so I do have Ryan and Melissa coming in for dinner tonight.
Oh, nice. Let's
I don't.
let's just leave it out here then. Can we stack it maybe on that one? Or is this fine here? It's fine. We're running out of time, I guess. We'll get it Monday.
Okay.
And this will be fine. Let's put everything away and we'll cover up stuff as much as we can. Hi, camera. Sorry. This is going to be the exciting part next week.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Just wait till next week. It's going to be beautiful. The two center pieces of glass, 12 foot high at the point. And there'll be 6 of them, 3 on each side. Should be beautiful.